Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a flower arrangement with pine cones. I have this huge one. Yikes, making stepping stones. I have this huge one that I found here in East Texas, and these are purchased pine cones. And got my handy dandy gloves because I hate painting and getting covered. And I have all these awesome colors. I'm just going to make a really loud bouquet for my picnic table outside. So you could cover them really thick. Take your time, spray in between, and get them really solid. I'm going to go for maybe a two layers of paint on the outside of the petals, and I'm going to glue them on bamboo skewers with hot glue, and ta-da! Going to have a cute little bouquet for my picnic table. So here we go. Okay, I don't care about this tablecloth. I'm going to replace it. In fact, I have a cute little beachy tablecloth that's going to go out here after I get through painting these. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. Now, some people paint these where they put their stem on this side, and this is the flower. So you could paint like red around here and paint the inside yellow. Mine are just going to be the actual whole pine cone. I'm going to make them in a vase, really full and colorful. I like colors, so that's what we're doing. But I don't like color on my hands. I hate when I forget to put on gloves. I do a project, and then for a week I've got paint everywhere. So this looks like a good one to start with. Now you could put your stick on and put it in a jar or something and spray paint it, but then you're going to need a jar for every one so they don't touch each other. I'm just going to do mine like this. That's my flower. And when it dries, I'll see how much of it soaked in and how I like it, if it needs another coat. Who knew a pine cone could be so beautiful? These are also good for making wreaths. Paint them the same way. You can put them on their side around the wreath. You can put them like this. You can put some greenery and then poke the pine cones for a really big splash of color. Oh, that one looks nice. Oh, beautiful. I think I'll do 2 of those. I was intending just to do the outside edges, but kind of getting on the inside. This big one, I think I'm going to save for the blue. See this one smashed? No big deal. You could just poke that in the center of the arrangement. See, I said I was going to paint the outside edges, but it's really coating all the way inside, so I'll just go with it. I guess we won't be using the metallic. I'm not going to stop to unclog it. Ah! Maybe we won't be using blue. Let me see. Guess we're not using blue. Darn it, because I like that blue. What is it, Jeffrey? Maybe I'll make this rainbow. The pink, not so much. I'm liking the really bright colors. The red and orange is not one of my favorite colors. I almost hate orange, but it looks cute on the pine cones, so let's do it. Pretty cute. If I do say so myself, and I do. I just did. So it looks like we need more green. And you know, you could do them like this and put one or two like this with a little yellow center. So it looks like you have different kinds of flowers. But I'm not doing that. I want mine to be big and puffy. Not really fond of the pink. The pink might need 2 coats. Because you see it here against the rest of them. It's not very colorful. Kind of hideous. Hideous. Let's see if we can fix it. If not, we'll just paint it another color. What do you think? Kind of doesn't match, but maybe 2 or 3 of them in there might tone the bright colors down. I don't know. The bright colors look like fall. And it's not fall. I think I'll do a few pink ones. That's the thing about art. You just do as you go. Whatever looks good to you, do it. Yeah, I'm going to do 4 pink ones. I went from hating the pink to I think I'm going to do a bunch of pink. I mean, I like the color pink, but just didn't seem like they matched. Oh, I kind of painted that one pink. Here we go. Now, y'all, I put my wall up where I had the frame. If you looked at that video for my arch, I put one wall, but I like it so much I'm going to put a wall at this end too. I'm just waiting on the netting to come. And twinkle lights. I'm going to put some twinkle lights up in here all the way down. And then I'll I'll take a video when it's all done. I'm about to put mulch around my stepping stones. I want to show it to y'all when it's all done. But these are the pine cones. Ta-da! So I'm going to let them dry. Then I'm going to put on the skewers and put them in a little vase. So I'll be back when they're dry. Okay, I've got the dried pine cones. Now we're back indoors. Got my handy dandy little glue gun. And what you're going to do, you're going to load this thing up. Load it up with a bunch of glue. Especially for me because mine will be outside with the wind, rain, etc. So I'm going to load it up where it can really grab the stick. I'm going to stand it like this to dry. And then I have this little, it was a bottle with some old peppers and stuff I got for $1 at a thrift store, flea market or something. Been waiting for something to do with it. It'll be perfect because the hole's small so that rain won't get inside. I mean, some will, but with all these pine cones stacked up on these, it's not going to have a lot of room to get in. So I'm going to do all of them, let them cool and harden up, and then I'll show you what it looks like all put together.